If you landed on this video, you probably have an exam coming up. And all I want to say to you right now is this: stop choking yourself and relax. You're at the right place. By the end of this video, you will know what strategies actually work for learning. Feel motivated to start studying instead of scrolling. Feel calm, confident, and in control. Every student experiences stress, confusion, and panic during exams. But by the end of this video, these thoughts will no longer be stuck in your head. What's actually getting in your way? Let's be honest. Right now you're struggling because of three things: way too many subjects, way too little time, especially during prep holidays, a constant feeling that something is missing, no matter how much you study. Before I tell you what to do, we need to talk about the mistakes you must stop making immediately. Mistake number 1: cramming. Cramming feels productive, but it's not. You stuff information into your brain with no time to process it, and then forget most of it during the exam. Mistake number 2: studying without a clear goal. You sit down to study, but you don't know what exactly you're trying to finish. No strategy, no plan, just vibes. That's why hours pass and nothing sticks. Mistake number 3: trying to know every single line. You don't need to know everything. Trying to master every line of the textbook only creates anxiety and burnout. First thing first, relax. Cracking exams is not as hard as it feels right now. Exams aren't the problem. The way most students prepare is. What you should do when exams are coming. Step 1: master time management. Nobody has just one subject. I know you're juggling many, so do this. Write down all your subjects. Assign colors. Red, difficult, needs more time. Yellow, manageable. Green, easy. Now listen carefully. Create your own timetable. Do not copy someone else's timetable from YouTube. That gives motivation, not results. Write down how many days you have left. When you feel most focused during the day. When you focus the best, study your red subjects then. If you want to understand why this works, check out my 5 a.m. routine scam video. Step 2: organize your study material. Let's be real, studying isn't hard. Chaos is. You don't have one source. You have class notes, textbooks, Google Docs, PDFs, random photos, questions from topper friends. This overloads your brain. So simplify. For each subject, create one Google Doc. Put all digital material inside it. Now choose only one physical source: your notes or your textbook. If you made the notes yourself or got them from a trusted source, prioritize notes. Keep the textbook only as backup. Now you have one Google Doc, one physical source. This alone reduces stress massively. Step 3: the most important step: study. This sounds obvious, but this is where most students fail. Right before exams, your brain will suddenly want to scroll your phone, clean your room, discover a new hobby, stare at the ceiling. That's resistance, not laziness. You already have a timetable, organized material. Now sit down and study. To make it effective, use these 5 proven strategies. 1. Pomodoro technique. Study in focused blocks. Breaks should recharge you, not distract you. 2. Active recall. Close your book, ask questions, pull answers from memory. 3. Daily revision. 30 minutes. Every night, revise what you studied that day. 4. Feynman technique. Explain the topic like you're teaching someone. If it's confusing, you don't understand it yet. 5. Practice questions. Most important. The biggest exam fear is what questions will come, so train for that. Use ChatGPT to generate questions. Practice past papers. Identify repeating questions. Accept this now. You cannot know everything, so make sure what you do know is high impact. What to do on exam day. Light revision only. Proper sleep. Healthy meal. Ignore panicked classmates. Stay hydrated. Relax. Trust your preparation. Let's revisit the problems we started with. Too many subjects. Timetable plus organization. Too little time. Smart strategies, not longer hours. Feeling something is missing. Focus on the important 20%. If this felt realistic, if you felt understood, and if this actually helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. And now, go studying.